Now LG has launched a new tablet, which is surprising. For their home market in South Korea, they exited last April from the smartphone business. The tab is called the Ultra Tab. It is an Android 12 based tablet with 10.35 IPS LCD with Snapdragon 680 processor and a 27 watt battery. The resolution is around 2000 into 1200 pixels. It has a 5:3 aspect ratio with a 60 Hz refresh rate. The design is the same like the iPad Pro. It has 4 speakers. It's bringing a stylus support as well. It gets a 5 megapixel selfie camera and a 8 megapixel camera on the back with autofocus. It comes with 4 GB RAM, 64 GB built-in memory, and it has expandable by microSD card slot. It complies with US military standard, that is MIL-STD 810G. It comes in a single charcoal grey color and the pricing is around $327. Very expensive pricing. It should not be launched world over. I don't know why LG is even trying such stuff. They have left the smartphone market, but this pricing is ridiculous. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.